In this video, I'm going to show you how to spin like Michael Jackson. Okay, I see many Michael Jackson impersonators doing this wrong. All the spin is use the leg and spin like this, but in order to make a right Michael Jackson spin, you have to do differently. Let's see it again. If you just do your spin with the leg like this, it cannot be fast and it's not right to do it because you cannot spin many times. So the secret to spin 2 or 3 times or even more, 5 times, is you have to create a momentum by using the force from your you know, like a spinner. You create the force from the top and you use the shoulder. You should use the shoulder. You move your shoulder backwards like this, okay, and then you push this forward, and then from the shoulder you create a force, shoulder to the chest, and then to your belly like this, and then the hip. You can see it will create some kind of a spiral force. You know the spinner you spin it from the top and you create the momentum, and then when you spin it will create like this. See, you see the slow motion here, pa 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 pa. Okay, so one thing to focus here is about the left foot and the right foot. You see, you use the toe here, okay, use the toe here, okay, and then you one thing first you have to practice is to create the momentum from the top here, okay, from the shoulder, chest and belly here, and the hip here, okay, and then you stay still on the left toe, okay, and then you create a force here, okay. So when you spin here, see, you see when you spin, it will create a very powerful spin like this, from the top, okay, shoulder, chest, belly, hip, see, you see, and you have to like a compass. You have to do with the left toe here, okay, and the right leg here, at this position, and then spin. See, sorry for this flaw and this type of shoe, I cannot do it properly, but you can see from my other videos I can spin 2, 3 or even 5 times. Okay, you do like this. And one more thing, you notice when Michael Jackson spin, he will use the arm like rolling with the force here and wrapping around his body. So see, so you can create that illusions. Okay. So I hope you enjoy this spin tutorial, and especially for gaming world. Hope you can know how to spin correctly like Michael Jackson. Okay, so I wish you the best luck. Thank you, and if you have any comments, then just comment below and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.